a thank you is enough.
Today, it is with great pride and honor that so much we honor you all, our frontline warriors, and to you all right here present today for working relentlessly, overlooking your own health and being there whilst providing oxygen to those others in need of breath.
One explanation
We
for it
request for
all.
you, dear friends, to put your hands together
You
for the Honorable Health Minister who's being accompanied
standing here so
by Dr. Bandekar.
tall. You never let us feel
You know that the COVID-19 second wave was nothing less than a war-like situation. And that is the reason our Honorable Health Minister had a noble thought of felicitating all those who really gave a big sacrifice.
I thought it's the best time for us to felicitate all our doctors, frontline workers, nurses, right up to our housekeeping staff who have all played their own role in helping us run and fight this pandemic COVID-19. Actually, this function is just marking a mark of respect to each one of you. Felicitation is another word, but we stand here to pay our respects to each one of you, putting your lives at risk and what all you went through in Goa Medical College. Our doctors, our experts, our senior doctors who are present here with folded hands, the government of Goa pays its respects to each one of you and thanks you for all the hard work that you have done during the pandemic. We have no words to express the gratitude that we have and the feeling and emotions that we are attached to you. I am very emotionally attached to all our doctors and our institutions of health services and the Goa Medical College. This is the first time where Goa Medical College and health services integrated efforts and tried to work together as a team, as a result of which there are many other challenges that are there in front of us. With your support, with your guidance, I'm sure the state government will be able to move forward. And I would like to tell you that, the things that you have done, we cannot forget. With folded hands on behalf of the state government, I would like to thank all of you for having been a part of this journey, having helped in saving people's lives. If not for you, this state would have not been able to fight this pandemic. I'm really grateful to you, and I'm grateful to the Chief Minister also for supporting our institution and supporting our dean. With folded hands, I would like to say to all of you, we are grateful to you. Continue to do the good work you're doing.
As we all know that our children, they cannot speak or tell their problems, so it involves a lot of intensive monitoring, and doing that in a PPE for hours at a stretch. Our residents and doctors of the Goa Medical College have worked really hard in GMC as well as in the peripheral hospitals, and we are very thankful that at the end of all this, although the battle is still not won, there is long way to go, but a certain recognition at this point in time that definitely boosts the morale of all the doctors.
I was working at the super specialty block ICU for the COVID second wave, and we were managing very critical patients in the ICU as well as running our OTs of the cardiac OT. So it was a very difficult job, but we had to give in all our 100%, and we managed to save many lives in the SSB ICU, and we are still going to do it because the wave is far from over. And in the middle of it, we are really thankful that the respected health minister and the state of Goa recognized whatever we had done till now and felicitated us today. And kudos to them so that we can continue this fight even further and come over this disease.
This song is just a way to say the words I always try to convey. With every passing day, my gratitude grows for those who never let us feel alone, who take our pain and make it their own.
I want to thank the Honorable Health Minister for felicitating every individual, every person, right from the Dean to the last MTS staff that has worked in Goa Medical College, because this gives them more force, more energy to even prepare for whatever comes in future. We don't know the future. We really don't know. Nobody knows.
In this appreciation towards a government and also from the public. We have received many messages, media have spoken about us. We have heard the gratitude towards us, and we also thank our public, and it was their inspiration or courage for us to work, and we have dedicated our life to the public. So that is, I could say, really thanks to each and every citizen of Goa and our government and everybody for appreciating our service.
And care you show us every day. There is just one explanation for it all. You are the reason that we're standing here so tall. You never let us feel alone. You take our pain and make